the relationship between justification and sanctification in Romans chapter 6 verses 1 to 23. Romans 6 contains an important truth about how justification and sanctification compare. Justification is our eternal position before God through Christ. Sanctification is becoming, in practice, what we already are in position, the holiness of the saint. Justification is an act of the Spirit in us. Sanctification is a work of the Spirit through us. Justification is for us. Sanctification is in us. Justification is a transaction. Sanctification is a transformation. Justification is the trigger. Sanctification is the process. And glorification is the end. Justification declares us righteous. Sanctification moves us toward righteousness. Justification removes the guilt and penalty of sin. Sanctification removes the unrestrained growth and power of sin. Hallelujah. Source, the Jeremiah Study Bible. May God bless us all.